Having text messages work while calls don't on your Tracfone is a common issue related to how mobile networks prioritize different services. Texting or SMS uses basic cellular signals that work on older networks, whereas voice calls on modern networks rely on VoLTE or Voice over LTE. VoLTE delivers high-quality calls over the 4G LTE data network, rather than older 2G or 3G networks. So if VoLTE isn't enabled or your phone isn't properly configured for it, calls can fail, even if texts succeed. Additionally, the sunsetting of 3G networks by carriers like Verizon and AT&T in late 2024 and 2025 means that older phones not compatible with LTE or 5G will fall back to text-only mode. This is a growing issue and is increasingly resolvable through self-guided fixes. The two main reasons are that the device is not compatible with VoLTE or the settings for the device have not been configured correctly. To fix the text but not call issue on Tracfone, follow these troubleshooting steps. First, ensure VoLTE is enabled. On Android, dial *##* 4636 ###, then go to Phone Information and enable VoLTE provisioning. On iOS, go to Settings, Cellular, and enable VoLTE. Second, check your preferred network type. In Settings, go to Network and Internet, then Mobile Network, and select LTE or 4G as the preferred option to force calls over LTE. Next, make sure your SIM card is Tracfone branded and properly activated. You can contact Tracfone support to confirm this. Then, verify your device's IMEI compatibility. Use the IMEI checker tool on Tracfone's website or contact support to confirm your phone works with their network. Finally, check the APN settings. The access point name should be set to Tracfone's APN, which varies by carrier like Verizon or AT&T. By completing these steps, your phone should now be able to make phone calls.